guys, in today's video we're going to take a look at the role of the catalyst, reaction profile diagrams, types of catalyst, the importance of catalysts, an exam style question, and finally a summary.
So what is the role of a catalyst? Well, a catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of reaction, as we know, and it does so without being used up in the process. Catalysts usually work by reacting to form an intermediate and are then regenerated later in the reaction. So here we have a reaction profile diagram showing the activation energy with our catalyst and that without our catalyst. So let's take a closer look at that now. Catalysts provide an alternative route for the reaction to take place through. This route requires a lower activation energy. Here you can see we have our Boltzmann distribution curve, where the x-axis is the energy and the y-axis is the number of molecules with that energy. What we can see here is that with our catalyst, we have a lower activation energy. We can see that more molecules have energy in excess of the new activation energy. What we mean by that is that a greater proportion of the molecules exceed the new lower activation energy. And therefore, more molecules can overcome this activation energy, and we see the rate of reaction increase. So now I've had a look at how our catalysts are increasing the rate of reaction. Let's take a look at the different types of catalyst. Well, broadly speaking, there are two categories of catalyst. The first is a homogeneous catalyst, a catalyst in the same state as the reactants. So for example, this could be a liquid catalyst with a liquid reactant. A good example that you will all be familiar with are the enzymes within your saliva. Enzymes within your saliva catalyse reactions that break down molecules of food that you consume. The second category of catalyst is our heterogeneous catalyst. These are a catalyst in a different phase to the reactants. So for example, we could have a gaseous reactant passed over a solid catalyst. An example of this that again you may be familiar with, whether you realise it or not, is the catalytic converter in the exhaust pipes of cars. These catalyse the reaction of harmful and dangerous gases such as carbon monoxide that can be produced through incomplete combustion to other gases such as carbon dioxide. So now I've had a look at different types of catalysts and how our catalysts work. Let's quickly review the importance of catalysts in industry, because catalysts are hugely important in the chemical industry. So as I mentioned, catalysts provide that alternative reaction pathway and they require a lower activation energy. Well, in requiring a lower activation energy, they lower the energy demand of the process, so the process requires less energy.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, just click the Snap Provides smiley face. Join me today and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.